So here I'm doing a test with some friends' help. This is a Edelbrock 600 that I'm mounting in here with no spacer, which actually sits quite low compared to what I had in here. Gonna run some new lines to get it set up and running. My old one here is a 670 Holley, and the other one's 600 Edelbrock. And as you can see how dark it is in here, mine was running pretty rich, but nonetheless going to be testing this 600 out. It's really nice, and I appreciate a friend allowing me to test it out on here to see if I'd be better off with maybe running a 600. It's not as powerful as a 670, but probably run a lot smoother, so we'll see about that. And if that is the case, where it does run a lot smoother, I may consider selling my 670 on Craigslist or something and running a 600. I'm also planning to upgrade my my motor from a 302 original block to 302 with 375 horsepower with new block and headers and stuff like that, which the 670 would then be a little more appropriate. Although the 600 would more than be enough for even the 375 from what I've been told. So, it's hard to say. I haven't decided yet. Feel free to give your opinion as well. I'd love to hear what you guys have to say, because I'm not making this decision right away, and figure that out. Let's see, what else? So I'm going to be testing it out for a little bit, and then I'll be going, I'll be providing that 600 back to my friend, and then putting my 670 back on. And keeping that for a little bit, because I haven't really fully decided what I want to do with that yet. Might even make my decision based on what you guys say. So just know that I am planning on going with something bigger. I've even been suggested going with a 351 instead of upgrading my 302, just because I was told that a lot of the stuff that I have in my motor would actually mount to a 351, which would be quite nice, because I have replaced pretty much everything in my engine compartment that deals with the motor. So like I said, I love your feedback on what you guys think, and also don't forget to like and subscribe, and tell me what how you feel and what videos you might like to see, and let me know. All right, thanks you guys. Bye.